we are making keto cauliflower fried rice. And I like easy recipes, so we are just going to be using some frozen cauliflower rice, but you can use fresh if you want to. But if you want to go the easy route, let's get started on the video. Okay, so to start off our cauliflower fried rice, we're going to add in some avocado here to a frying pan. And once the pan is hot, then we'll go ahead and add in our cauliflower rice. I'm just using frozen cauliflower rice that already comes like that. You can use fresh cauliflower rice. You can rice your own cauliflower if you want. It's going to work the same way no matter how you do it. So I like things the easy way, so I prefer to just pull this bag out of the freezer and dump it on the pan. Pretty much gonna just, kind of let the cauliflower cook for a little bit and move it all around, get it nice and even. This is frozen, so we're gonna let it cook just for a few minutes, kind of pull the liquid out of it so it's not like runny or anything. You want to basically have it dry because rice is dry, right? You don't have soggy wet rice, so we don't want soggy wet cauliflower rice. So I normally just kind of let it cook on the side, use a pan that's large enough, scoot everything to the side so that cauliflower can continue to pull all the moisture out, pull all the liquid out of it. Then I'll add in some more avocado oil to the side and then add in some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic or, garlic from the jar, which is what I'm doing today. So let that garlic cook just a few minutes until it is fragrant. And I'm going to also add in some green onion here. And these are some orange bell peppers, just regular bell peppers. So the reason why I went with the green onion and the orange bell peppers is because it mimics the color and the look in the cauliflower fried rice of carrots and peas. Now, I know there's a lot of people on keto or low carb that will still use the carrots and the peas, but a lot of people don't. So I wanted to make the video for people that don't. I'm going to continue cooking these down. We're sauteing the bell peppers in with the cauliflower rice. Okay, so now I'm adding in some seasonings, some turmeric, some pepper, and some ginger. I personally love to use turmeric because it's really good for you, but it also helps with the color of the rice. Right here we are adding in some sesame oil. And here we are using liquid aminos, so whatever one that you normally use, whether you still use soy sauce or liquid aminos, it's up to you. But I'm using the liquid aminos, which is why I don't really add a lot of salt in, because the stuff is already salty enough. Okay, so just mix it all in, make sure it's all incorporated throughout your cauliflower rice. Okay, so we have everything combined, everything looks good. We're just gonna go ahead and scoot our rice over a little bit and add in our eggs. The amount of eggs that you add to this is up to you, but I typically do like, 1 egg per person. So I went ahead and added 3 eggs to this. Plus, the egg also helps with the flavor, so we just really like it like that. So you can add 2 if you want, but I add 3. So add in your 3 eggs and then kind of just give them a little mix, scramble them up a little bit, and then just let them cook. And then once your scrambled eggs are scrambled, then you can go ahead and mix it in with your cauliflower rice. And then I just top it with some more of the green onion just to make it look a little nicer. And that's it, you guys. That is your keto cauliflower fried rice. And I really hope you enjoy it. So let's go ahead and give it a try. This is what it looks like. So I got some eggs, some bell pepper, and some green onion on here. Let's see how it tastes. So that's it, guys. That is my cauliflower fried rice, and that's it for today's video. If you end up trying it and you like it or you don't, comment down below and let me know if you ended up trying it.